Between school runs, homework, and family dinners, finding time to physically drive your child to a local madrasa every week is a logistical puzzle most families just cannot solve. So you try the alternative and hire a random online tutor. But now you're juggling scattered text messages, lost Zoom links, and a schedule that changes constantly. Both of these options create a massive blind spot for parents. You drop your child off or put them in front of a screen and have absolutely no idea what they are actually learning or if they are progressing at all. Imagine instead a dedicated space right in your home, a structured environment where a qualified teacher focuses entirely on your child, and you can see exactly how they are growing. Achieving that peace of mind requires a platform designed specifically to keep parents in the loop. That is why we built Quran Interactive. Every class here is live and one-to-one. Your child gets a personal teacher dedicated entirely to their individual pace and level, rather than fighting for attention in a crowded group. We built the entire classroom directly into the website. There's no complicated software to install and no third-party apps to wrestle with. Your child just opens the page and clicks Join Class, whether they are on a phone, a tablet, or a laptop. Once inside, the classroom fills the screen. The teacher's video and the lesson text sit side by side in a clean, focused layout. By stripping away the technical hurdles and the distractions of a group setting, all of your child's energy goes straight into learning. While your child learns, you stay organized through a private parent dashboard. It is one central place to manage schedules and track progress for your whole family. And here is the feature parents love most. Every single live class is recorded automatically and saved to your dashboard within minutes. If you couldn't sit in on the lesson today, you can watch it back tonight to see the teaching quality for yourself, and your child can easily replay the video to practice a difficult verse. Teachers log a written report after every class. You see exactly what they covered, how your child performed, and what they will tackle next. Between the complete video history and consistent written feedback, you never have to guess how your child is doing. You have the proof right in front of you. You also retain complete authority over your schedule and billing. You can choose a pacing plan that fits your week, pay securely through PayPal, and cancel the subscription yourself at any time with just a few clicks. No long-term lock-in and no awkward phone calls. We built the platform with absolute privacy in mind. Your personal contact details are kept entirely separate from the teacher's interface. We follow strict child safeguarding standards, and you can export or permanently delete your family's data directly from your dashboard whenever you want. All of this technology runs quietly in the background, keeping your child's data secure and making your life as a parent noticeably easier. With a dedicated teacher, clear visibility into every lesson, and total control over your account, religious education goes from being a stressful chore to a rewarding family routine. Getting started takes less than a minute. You simply tell us your child's age and your preferred schedule. Our team personally matches them with a qualified teacher and confirms your first trial class. There is zero payment required upfront and absolutely no commitment to continue if it is not the right fit. Give your child a personal Quran teacher and see the progress for yourself. Start your free trial today at QuranInteractive.com.